Dealing with a broken zipper can be incredibly frustrating, especially if it's on your favorite jacket, bag, or pair of jeans. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through how to repair a broken zipper step by step. Most zipper issues can be resolved without needing to replace the entire item, saving you time and money. First, let's assess the problem. Broken zippers typically fall into one of three categories. The slider isn't closing the teeth are misaligned or bent, or the pull tab is missing or damaged. Once you know what's wrong, it's much easier to fix. If the slider isn't working properly, grab a pair of pliers. Carefully squeeze the top and bottom parts of the slider together just slightly. This adjustment often helps the slider grip the teeth more effectively, allowing it to close the zipper properly. Test it by moving the slider up and down a few times to ensure smooth operation. This simple fix is a common solution when learning how to repair a broken zipper. For misaligned or bent teeth, start by unzipping the zipper as far as possible. Use your fingers or pliers to gently realign any crooked teeth, making sure they sit straight along the track. If teeth are missing, you may need to replace the zipper entirely. But for minor issues, realignment usually works. Check the alignment by running the slider up and down the track. If the pull tab is broken or missing, you can create a quick fix with a small keyring or a sturdy paperclip. Attach it to the slider where the pull tab used to be, giving you something to grip while zipping. It's a temporary solution, but it can get you through until you have time to replace the pull tab. Another common issue when figuring out how to repair a broken zipper is fabric getting stuck in the teeth. If this happens, avoid yanking on the slider, as this can cause more damage. Instead, gently work the slider back and forth while pulling the fabric free with tweezers. Once the fabric is out, check for any lingering threads or debris and remove them to prevent future jams. Finally, if the zipper still isn't functioning properly after these steps, you might need to replace the slider. Replacement kits are available at most craft or hardware stores and usually include all the tools you need. Follow the instructions in the kit to remove the old slider and install the new one. By following these tips on how to repair a broken zipper, you can save your favorite items from being discarded. With a little patience and the right tools, you'll have your zipper working smoothly again in no time. If you still run into trouble, don't hesitate to ask for help. Sometimes, a professional repair is the best option for particularly tricky cases. Good luck.